Alright guys, so I have this KX100. I am rebuilding. Pretty clean bike though. Everything works like a charm, except the plastics are a little iffy. It's an 02. It's been sitting. Pipe's decent, not bent or anything. Can't really tell. It's probably been laid down, not really crashed hard, so everything's intact. I might get different bars, because these ones are weird. These ones are like angled upwards and over. I don't know, but the clutch is super smooth. How you know your clutch is smooth is if you can pull it in with a pinky. Yeah, not many bikes can do that. Not many at all. This one you have to hold freaking whole hand. Yeah. Anyway, and I'll show you the damage of that freaking cylinder. It was running, mind you, with what I'm going to show you. Alright, so I got quite a bit done here. Plastic's off. I'm just now disconnecting the radiator and stuff. What the cart is it so far? Carburetor on. Yeah, almost there. Get a couple more things and should be good. Getting there. Pretty clean though. Pretty clean. It's one of the best bikes we have. Somehow. It's getting done. Alright, got that puppy off of there. Piston is in good shape. Here's the new cylinder. Clean. Well, look at this cylinder. It's in pretty good condition. Nothing too wrong with it, you know. There's a small, itsy bitsy little tiny scratch in there. And that's pretty good.